You guys had an article on it, like, doesn't remodeling suck? And I said, yes, it does. So I'm Lauren, and my husband and I bought a house in Arlington, Virginia. Since buying it, we've really realized that we love our master, but the bathroom is a bit outdated. Small tub, small shower, so we wanted to make it a lot bigger. We decided to go with remodelmate, which is a completely web-based company, mainly because when we were trying to get contractors, they would give quotes that were all over the place. Timelines were a bit all over the place as well, so it was a lot easier to just have one phone call. We were able to kind of actually look at Zillow and look at the bathroom that we wanted to remodel, which was super seamless and really easy and didn't take any time out of my day. We created a Pinterest board with some of the ideas that we really enjoyed and really liked, and we worked with the Concierge to select those materials, and then we were able to select them simply from Wayfair, and they were delivered pretty seamlessly. Was able to get the work done in around 3 weeks at budget, so we are super excited to be able to use our new master bath.